Hi guys, this is Amy. Welcome to my class. Today we'll concentrate on the non-fictional reading of passage C and D in 高考, based on the analysis of discourse structure. In the first class, we will concentrate on the problems of main idea and best title. In student eyes, passage C and D in 高考 are in a mess. So how to get a clear structure of passage C and D? Today we'll give you some hints. Before our class, let's take a clear look at the passage C and D in 高考 of the recent 3 years. As we can see from the form, the main theme of passage C and D is about the human and society, while the genre are expositions. The themes of each passage are respectively different. Based on AI, we know that the frequently asked questions in 高考 are the following 4 types. Type 1, current problems and challenges. Type 2, working principles. Type 3, function and results. Type 4, comment and future development. While the difficulties in exposition reading lie in 4 aspects. First, unfamiliar topic. Second, long and difficult sentences, especially terms. Third, misleading choices. Fourth, passage structure. Today, we will concentrate on how to analyze passage structures. As we all know, there are 2 typical structures of an exposition. The first one is a research finding. As for the topic paragraph, it will explain the topic of a new research finding. As for the sub-paragraphs, it will explain a process, method, or participant, the findings, the previous or similar research, the comments and limitations, the application and future research. As for structure 2, this is an introduction to something new. The topic paragraph will explain the topic of a product, technology, phenomenon, characteristic, theory, an idea, an effect, etc. While for the sub-paragraphs, it will explain the background, the working principle or logic, the application, the results or characteristics, and the comments or future improvement. If you have a clear picture of the basic 2 structures in your mind, you will do the problems of exposition reading better. Let's take a passage C of 2022 of Zhejiang Province as an example. Let's read paragraph 1 together and find the signpost. New researchers found that, so we know this is a topic paragraph. It introduces a research finding. As for paragraph 2, lead researcher said, these findings are exciting, so we know this is a comment of the research. From paragraph 3, for the study 191 women, we know this is the research method. As for paragraph 4, a total of 40 women, a total of 92 women, and 59 women. These are the research findings. While for paragraph 5, from the signpost, these women were then tested for, compared to 25% of the women. We know these are the method and findings of the research. As for paragraph 6, The study does not show cause and effect. More research is needed to see. She also admitted that a relatively small number of women were studied. The results might not be applicable too. So these are the limitations, comments, and future development of the research. Then we have a clear picture of the structure of passage C. Then let's come to the problems. Problem 30. Which of the following is the best title for the text? So we can know from the signpost, new research found that middle-aged women who were physically fit could be nearly 90% less likely to develop dementia. We know the right answer is C. Fit women are less likely to develop dementia. Then let's look at another example from passage C of 2021 in 高考. From the signpost in paragraph 1, greatly reducing waterfall habitat, we know this is the background. While in paragraph 2, with the passage of Migratory Bird Hunting Stamp Act, we know this is the introduction of the topic, and Stamp Act was passed. As for paragraph 3, every duck stamp dollar goes directly into the Migratory Bird Conservation Fund to purchase wetland. $500 million has gone to that fund. Little wonder the federal stamp program has been called one of the most successful conservation programs ever initiated. We know this is the results of the topic. After we analyzed the structure, let's come to the multiple choice. Which of the following is a suitable title for the text? So we know from paragraph 1, 2. This is the introduction of the topic paragraph. This is about an stamp act. So we choose A, the federal duck stamp story. Then let's come to the third example. Passage D from 2022 高考. First, let's look at paragraph 1. From the sentence, a groundbreaking 5-year study showed that. We know this is the topic paragraph. It tells us a research finding. Then let's come to paragraph 2. More than 30 years ago, the scholar noted that now a team of researchers has found how and why this trend arose. We know this is the previous research and new findings. As for paragraph 3, they discovered that. Paragraph 4, the team showed that. We know these are the findings of the new research. While for paragraph 5, analysis of language database also confirmed that. From the word confirm, we know that this is a supporting evidence of the results. As for paragraph 6, the sentence, the research overturns a popular view, we know this is a comment of the research. After we have a clear picture of the structure, then let's come to the question, what is the paragraph 5 mainly about? So we can see from the structure, paragraph 5 is the supporting evidence of the research result. So we choose A directly. Class, did you have a clear mind of how to analyze the structure of an exposition? If you say yes, let's do some consolidation exercise. You are supposed to analyze the structure of the following passage and finish the multiple choice. Don't forget to use a signpost to analyze the structure. So let's begin. Please fill in the structure of this passage. And then finish the multiple choice. Exercise 2. Please also use the signpost to fill in the structure of this passage and the multiple choice. Have you got all the answers? If you say yes, let's check. So from the above lesson, you may have a clear picture of how to analyze the structure of an exposition and do the problems on main idea and best title. For more information, you can contact me through this email. Thank you for watching. Bye.